Hi viewers, today we are discussing some problems related to multiplication. How we can multiply a number with a two-digit number. First one, 32 into 23. 32 is a two-digit number and 23 is also a two-digit number. We are multiplying a two-digit number with a two-digit number. Writing 32 into 23. 2 is in the ones place and 3 is in the tens place, ones place and the tens place. We are starting with the 3. 3 into 2 we have to do first. 3 into 2, answer is 6. 3 into 3, answer is 9. We multiplied with the number 3. Now we have to multiply with the 2. 2 is in the tens place. Therefore, when we are multiplying 2 with 2, we have to write the answer in the tens place because 2 is in the tens place, ones place, tens place. 2 is in the tens place. Therefore, 2 into 2, the answer 4, we have to write in the tens place. 2 into 2, answer is 4. That 4, we are writing in the tens place. Then 2 into 3, 6, we are writing in the hundreds place. After that, we are adding these two numbers. Now, number is here. Therefore, we can put 0 here. 6, the answer. 4 plus 9, 13. Carry over is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore, 32 into 23 is equal to 736. Next one, 54 into 23. 54, 23. We are multiplying 54 with the 23. First we are starting with the number 3. 3 into 4, 12. 2 we are writing. 1 is the carryover. 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus the carryover 1, 16. 16. 1 is now in the hundreds place. Now we are multiplying with 2. 2 is in the tens place. Therefore, the answer should be in the tens place. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 5, 10. Now 1 is in the thousands place. Ones place, tens place, 100 plus 1000. After that we are adding the two numbers. 2, 8 plus 6, 14. 1 is carry over. 1 plus 1, 2, 1. The answer is 1242. Third question. 68 into 24. 68, 24. We are multiplying. 4 into 8. 32. 2 we are writing. 3 is the carryover. Then 4 into 6. 24. 24 plus the carryover 3. 27. 2 into 8. 16. 16, 6 we are writing in the tens place, and 1 is the carryover. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Then 12 plus the carryover 1, 13. 1 is in the thousands place and 3 is in the hundreds place. Adding these two number, 2, 6 plus 7, 13. Carry over 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 1. The answer is 1632. 1632 is the answer. The fourth question is 234 into 25. Now 234 is a 3-digit number. We are multiplying with a 2-digit number. 2, 3, 4, 234 into 25. First multiply with 5. 5 into 4, 20. 0 we are writing. 2 is carryover. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus carryover 2, 17. 7 we are writing. 1 is the carryover. 5 into 2, 10. Adding the carryover 1, 11. That means 234 into 5 is equal to 1170. Now we are multiplying 234 into 2. 2 is in the tens place. Therefore, we have to write the answer from the tens place. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 6, 3, 6. 2 into 2, 4. Now adding 0. 7 plus 8, 15. Carry over 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, the answer is 5850. Answer is 5850. Now we can go to another example. 236 into 63. Writing 2, 3, 6, 63. Multiplying. 3 into 6, 18. 8 we are writing. 1 is the carryover. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Writing 0. 1 is carryover. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7. After that, 6 into 6. 6 into 6, 36. 3 is the carryover. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 1 we are writing. 2 is the carryover. 6 into 2, 12 plus 2, 14. Adding 8, 6, 8, 4, 1. Now the last example is 678 into 59. It is in the ones place, tens place, hundred place. We are multiplying. First one, 9 into 8. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 2 is the carryover. Next one, 9 into 7, 63. 63 plus the carryover 7. Answer is 70. Writing 0. Again 7 is carryover. 9 into 6, 54. 54 plus 7, 61. Now we are multiplying with the 5. 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40. Carryover 4. 5 into 7, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 9 we are writing. 3 is the carryover. 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus the carryover 3, 33. Now we are adding all the numbers. In the ones place, 2, 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is the carryover. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 is carryover. 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4. Thank you.